All right, drink we're about to make is called the Big Banana. Okay, let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we'll measure out 1 ounce of rum. This white rum. And next we'll add 1 ounce of amaretto. Also 1 ounce of coconut rum. And 1 ounce of creme de banana. We're just going to top it off with some pineapple juice. There we go. And as you can see, got kind of a layered look. We've got the brown down at the bottom, the amaretto, and the rum. And we're just going to keep it like that so it has a cool look. Just serve it that way. And we're going to give it 2 cherries and 2 straws. And that's it. Bottoms up.